Hi everybody, it's me, Bleau. So I know Valentine's Day, is coming up in like a month, but I'm still thinking about what outfit I should wear. And so I look at the calendar, it's on a Wednesday, which means I'll be at school wearing a uniform. And since I can't wear an outfit, I think I should wear a collar pin. This is a collar pin. If you don't know what a collar pin is, it's not a necklace. You can just pin it to your collar and it looks super cool. So today I'm going to show you how to make a Valentine's Day collar pin. Let's get started. First you'll need pony beads that will match the Valentine's Day theme. So I'm going to use the light pink, the dark pink, and the purple. Jewelry pins, like the collar pin part. Eye pins. I had an adult trim them in half because they're adults. You'll also need jump rings, strong glue, wire cutter, 2 cool charms. This one says live and this one says love. And a chain. The first step is to glue a pin to the back of each charm. Spread out some pony beads onto a baking sheet and stick an eye pin into each hole. Remember to not put them too close to each other or else they'll melt and fuse into each other. Now you can bake them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 7 minutes. But you have to make sure to keep an eye on them because they bake really, really fast. While that's in the oven, let's work on the chain. So cut 3 different chains, 3 different lengths, and hook them to a jump ring. So this is what it looks like. The next step is to attach your eye pin decorative bead things to this using jump rings. So this is what it looks like. Now all you have to do is connect your pins to your jump rings on the corner. So, the last step is to pin to your shirt, rock around on Valentine's Day, look fabulous. That's it. If you like my video, do not forget to subscribe. And don't forget to check out all the other cool videos and the website Glitter Girls Club. Bye!